how to use TikTok affiliate marketing traffic for your ClickBank products. As you can see over here, if you're promoting any affiliate products on ClickBank as an affiliate, you can use TikTok as a traffic source, right? As you can see over here, in the last 28 days, I had 122,000 video views. And if I click here, 1,800 profile views, and this is all faceless channel, okay, without showing my face, 11,000 likes, and let me show you over here, 686 comments, okay, really great engagement, and 100 shares, which is free marketing, okay, free referrals. It's amazing. It's organic, free traffic. Once you have people sharing your content, right, your videos, and you can have affiliate links there with QuizFunnels built on ClickFunnels, and you can just leave your affiliate link, your affiliate website landing page in the comments, and you can see people engaging. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes of your work. You can do it on your iPhone. Leave comments with your affiliate link, with your affiliate website, okay, with QuizFunnels, and if psychology of marketing is done correctly, you are going to make at least 10% of those affiliate clicks. You're gonna get sales, right? So it's really amazing. 11,000 likes, right? What does it tell you? It tells you engagement is really great because we are targeting buyers clicks, okay? In 2026, the money is in the buyers clicks, all right? You don't need to have millions of clicks. You just need the right clicks from the buyers, not from the curiosity clickers. As you can see over here, 1,800 profile views, which is really good, okay? You can see 74% increase, and over 4% increase, and over here 122,000 views. So as you watch this video, before Christmas, if you want to have 1, 5, 10, I don't know, 50 affiliate sales as a ClickBank affiliate without ever making any videos yourself, showing your face on camera, now this is something you can do if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay, 30 minutes per day, you can do this. All right, I also run Google pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, but in this case, as you can see, it's all from TikTok traffic. It's paid traffic and free traffic, organic traffic combined. Why? Because as you can see over here, look, 686 comments, people are engaging. So if you're not a lazy person and you have 5 minutes in a day, yes, you can leave affiliate QuizFunnels, let's say. I love QuizFunnels because it's about emotional psychology, and you can actually have morning ads and evening ads. And when you're promoting to females and males, for example, weight loss, manifestation, self-help, personal development niche, hobby niche, woodworking, right? All those niches, you have to understand there is psychology behind marketing, okay? So you don't have to learn this yourself. It can be done for you, together with you, one-on-one. So as you watch this video, if you're serious, let me know. There is my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, and email, where you can reach out to me one-on-one if you want to replicate and duplicate these results, to install this system before Christmas. So as Christmas is coming and 2026 New Year, you can already have, I don't know, 500 euros, 1,000 euros, or even 5,000 US dollars in 10 days. But only if you're serious and if you actually want to put this into action.